to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you guys saw the title, so you already know what's up. So in today's video, I will be answering one of the most frequently asked questions that I've received regarding my YouTube journey. So if you're unfamiliar with me, I've been on YouTube for a little over a year now and my channel is monetized. So I do get questions regarding, if I'm making money on YouTube, how much does it cost me per month, things like that. So if you're at the point where your channel is being monetized or you're working towards that, then you should be considering YouTube a business. That's what I do. I consider YouTube to be my business because it is. As long as you're putting in the dedication, the time, and the consistency, as well as quality, then you're definitely going to be making money in the long run. So I consider these monthly expenses to be my overhead because YouTube is definitely my business and you should consider your YouTube channel to be your business as well. I mean, the sky's the limit. You get brand deals, you're getting paid, sponsorships, different things like that. So treat it as a business as you would, a freestanding establishment. So let's get right into it. So my first monthly expense is going to be TubeBuddy. Now I currently do not have like the pro license or the legend license. I only have like the standard one. I only pay I think $2.99 per month, so that's $3 per month, and it just helps you with SEO, with titles, with tags, different things like that. And if you can't afford it, they do have the legend status. I believe it's about $49 per month, and that is actually a really good license to have because it suggests tags for you. If you want a more in-depth video on TubeBuddy, let me know down below and I got you. So my second monthly expense is going to be Epidemic sound, and I'm still a little on the fence about this one. Of course, it's a royalty-free website or subscription where basically if you have a YouTube channel or any other social media, you won't get flagged or anything for using some of these copyrighted music. So Epidemic sound has some great sounds, great sound effects, things like that that you can use in your videos without getting any copyright strikes or anything like that. When I first started my YouTube channel, I would just screen record different background or copyright free music off of YouTube and reuse that. But with Epidemic sound, it's so simple and easy. I can create my playlist for unboxings, for vlogs, for different things like that. And again, you don't have to worry about getting any of those strikes on your channel or anything affecting your revenue. I highly recommend Epidemic sound for someone that's monetized, or if you're working towards monetization, that's going to be really important. Again, it's royalty free background music, super dope music as well. So if it's something that certain vibes that you like, if it's R&B, if it's more so hip-hop, they have a wide array of different genres to choose from when it comes to music. Now yes, of course you can use the YouTube library, but I like having stuff that's a little exclusive. YouTube library is, I feel like it's a little hard to find songs that I like on there. So with Epidemic sound, it's easy to use. Like I said, highly recommend that, and that is $15 per month. Monthly expense is going to be Canva, and I actually do pay for Canva. They have a free version which is great to use, but you get what you pay for. With the pro version, it's worth every penny. That's one of my most used apps when it comes to my YouTube channel is Canva. I use it for my intros, for my thumbnails, for my YouTube channel art, my banners, everything. Instagram stories, Facebook posts, like everything. If you have not downloaded Canva at this point, like, what you waiting on? Like, what are you doing? I literally use Canva for everything. And again, as I mentioned, I have the pro version, which comes with a lot more effects than the free version. But if you can't afford the pro version each month, then definitely go with the free version. You will still not be disappointed. Canva is a must-have. If you are a content creator, I believe this is a must-have app. So with Canva, that one is $12.99 per month. $13 a month I feel is well worth it. Like, it's a really good price, especially for an app that I use continuously, like over and over and over on a daily basis. Canva is where it's at. So if you, even if business wise, I think Canva is a really good idea, especially with marketing. There's so many things that you can use to be creative and get your business out there. So I would highly recommend it. Again, that one is $12.99 per month. Not bad if you think about it. But again, the free version is good as well. But if you have an extra $13, definitely go ahead and get the pro version. Now, if you guys want to know a little more in depth in regards to TubeBuddy, Epidemic Sound, or Canva, let me know down in the description below. I will definitely film a more dedicated video towards those different websites or apps and letting you know exactly what they do and how they can benefit you. So let me know down in the description below and I'll be happy to do that. So to recap, we had TubeBuddy first, $2.99 per month. We had Epidemic Sound for $15 per month and Canva for $13 per month. So my YouTube channel is costing me a grand total of $31 per month. And I'm actually not even saying that my channel is costing me this because it's paying for itself, because I'm monetized, so it's paying for itself. And again, this is my overhead for my business, okay? So it's a must-have expense, which I'm not complaining. So again, that's $31 per month to make my channel better, to make things easier for me in regards to editing and suggesting music and things like that. So I think it's worth it. I think also, if you're being consistent and you're putting out quality content, the money's gonna come, okay? Like, your channel and these expenses are gonna pay for itself. So $31 a month, like, I don't even see that coming out of my account. Again, it's being paid for on its own through the revenue that my channel is making on a daily basis. So I'm happy about that. I'm still on the fence about upgrading my TubeBuddy license, which I might. But yeah, I'm not sure yet. Hey guys, that's it. So I hope that answered your question in regards to how much YouTube is costing me per month or how much I'm spending on my channel per month. $31, and I feel like it's worth it. Again, it's not coming out of my account, it's being paid for by itself. So yeah, it is what it is. You're gonna have business expenses, so it comes with the territory. But I do want to thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and be sure to hit that bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. I do upload weekly here on this channel, and I will see you guys next week.